In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls menu on a vívoactive 5 smartwatch. To customize controls, start by pressing and holding the top right button to bring up the controls menu. Here you can scroll through and see the default controls on your watch. To add a control, select Edit. To add another control, scroll down and select the plus icon. Then scroll through and select an option. For this video, we will add sync. Select the plus sign to add sync to your controls. Press the back button on the bottom right to return to the previous screen. You can reorder the controls by selecting an option and dragging it to a new position in the list. Select the check mark to save its position. Press the back button to return to your controls. To remove a control, press and hold the top button to access the controls menu. Then scroll down and select Edit. Select the control you want to remove from the list. Then select the X to remove it. Press the back button to return to your controls. And that's it. You can now customize the controls on your vívoactive 5 smartwatch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.